Hello guys, what do you think is inside here? You guessed it right. Ta-da-da-dum, ta-da-da-dum. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Seriously, guys. You cannot deprive yourself of receiving this. Look, it comes like a gift as well. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is just... Look, the triggers of the original. Okay, so now I'm trying to open it, but why do you guys have to make it so complicated? It comes with a plastic on top. Look, just don't want to break the plastic just in case I decide to sell it, which by the way I don't think I would, but you know, I like to keep it tight and complete. If any of you know how to open this, help me, because I don't want to break. Okay, it's just tape, 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 tape. Show you. Tape. Now it's the tape of the girls, and oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, we did it, we did it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. The Polly Pocket Keepsake Collection Starlight Dinner Party. For all of you wondering what it is about, or which one is it, just close it like that and open it. And yeah, look, it comes with the space to put the batteries. I will show you how it looks with the batteries. And the girls, obviously 3 as in the original. I will show you how it looks with the batteries. Hold down. Okay, so I already put the battery on. Look at this. How beautiful! How beautiful! There is something. Look. Oh my god, look at the fireplace. Huh? Wow. As usual, you move this card. Let me turn it on back. And magically, new food. Do you want to close the curtains? You can close them too and enjoy the party. So yeah, this is the keepsake collection of this one. Happy days!